Welcome, supers, to this Biz Coach Reacts preview video for Bar Rescue Season 8, Episode 1, that will be premiering tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern, and I will be reacting with it. I'm Super Joe Pardo. I'll be reacting with it with my boy Matt. He's Larry Roberts. He's not Matt, in case you didn't know. And he is here to help me break down a preview of the business that Jon Taffer is going to tonight. If you didn't know, Season 8 is taking place all in Las Vegas. How cool is that? In his, I don't know, hometown. He's got a lot of hometowns, but as these types of people usually do. But yeah.
We had him come to my hometown where I live right now in Lewisville, Texas, and they redid a bar called Drunken Donkey. So I've seen it firsthand what he can do and how long it lasts after he leaves. There's a lot to say for that. So let's check out. It's called Paradise Cantina. We got their website pulled up here. Website looks pretty good. They got their menu right there. A little hard to read that small black text on a brown paper background, but you know, it's not terrible, just not great. Open 24 hours a day. It's in Vegas, baby.
I guess
Gotta get that queso at 3 a.m.
Well, yeah, you do if you're out gambling and stuff. So where is the strip at according to this map? I've only been to Vegas one time.
It's been 20 years since I've been in Vegas. I got married there, and that's I swore I'd never go back after that happened.
It looks like it's off. I guess it's off the strip because this looks
definitely
like
off
the strip.
the strip.
Yeah, so it's off the strip, but it's open 24 hours a day, which is, hey, that's awesome. I can get my tacos at 2 a.m. and not have to go to Taco Bell. I'm on board with that. You know, I can definitely get behind that. So their website's really simple, which is great. Let's check out their social media or their TripAdvisors next here. So we got 45 reviews, 4 stars. I'm no bar rescue expert, but 4 stars on a business, that needed rescuing. Looks like they might have maybe they need something deeper than what the people that are leaving 4 and 5 star reviews are experiencing.
Yeah,
terrible food, good drinks.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but that was in 2018, so that was still a pretty far ways. 2016, great food, reasonably priced. Yeah, so they got some really positive feedback on TripAdvisor. Next up is their Facebook, which they have. Where's the reviews at? Oh, here you go, reviews. They got 4.1 stars out of 5, 424 reviews.
They're consistent.
Yeah, it seems like they are quite consistent. So it makes me wonder, like, what issues they really had that they felt that was justified, having Jon come in. So I'm really looking forward to checking out the episode here. Let's look at what the stuff. So they got, here's a preview within a preview, Inception, for them being on Bar Rescue. They got some people hit some jackpots here.
Bingo, yay!
Yeah,
Nacho Bingo. Isn't Joe Bingo?
Well, it looks like they got a lot of jackpot pictures here. Like, people are really hitting it up. $2,500 in the day before, $2,000, $2,000 just a few days before that. Oh, what's this video?
The hot water heater that we just installed 2 days ago somehow got so hot, as you can see by the insulation that melted, that it triggered the mercury switch in it. It broke, shut the propane, shut the oxygen off, so it didn't blow up. So it actually did its job. Long story short, Cantina's closed for the night. Sorry for the inconvenience. What the fuck else can happen? I don't even want to ask that out loud. Never mind. Nothing. I'm fine. Everything's fine. We'll be open tomorrow. Sorry, guys.
So I've talked about this in other videos. First of all, profanity is probably not the best look.
Profesh.
Right? But I like the fact that they did a video. They explained. So they did their job. Ding, ding. But they left the video up. This is February. Why is this video still up? You know, like that. There's no reason for it. And then we go back to the jackpot. I mean, apparently, if you want to hit jackpots, this is the place to go. Because like
I
every
think
2
they're way
days.
off base with what they're doing, dude. Who cares about the jackpots at their place? We're talking about food. We're talking about drinks. We're talking about nachos and quesadillas. We're talking about all kinds of. But they're focusing on jackpots. I understand it's Vegas. That's cool and all, but they're a restaurant. Shouldn't we be more focused on promoting our restaurant as compared to promoting our video games?
Yeah, I would agree. Let's see. Let's switch over to Yelp here. So we got 236 reviews. Awesome. 3.5 stars. It's not
so awesome.
not terrible, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. Let's see. The one thing I've noticed is they haven't replied to any of the reviews that they had. So that part is not great. What's the food? Yeah, food doesn't look bad. I mean, I don't know. I'd write home about that. And this looks pretty good.
You notice that it's all the same color. Honestly, it's just that golden, that little light tan. It's the burrito's the same color as the chips, and the chips are the same color as the drink, and the queso is the same color as the chili sauce there. I mean, everything's the same color. It's a little bland, Joe. A little bland.
Okay, so I'm not going to disagree with you there. But what I will say is I'm not a fan of these throwaway cups. I think that if you're trying to take your food seriously, get rid of the plastic cups. Get yourself real like little bowls and put the sauces in there. Or even like that looks like a throwaway cup. Don't put it in a throwaway
it definitely
cup.
is. Yeah.
Don't
definitely
get rid of the throwaway the cup. You know, how much are you paying? You know, in throwaway cups, and it's not good for the environment. So why do it? You know. Cons. Do not get the shrimp tacos. They must have been the worst shrimp tacos I've ever had in my life. All of their food was really, really salty. Probably to get people to drink more. And parking lot can be a pain during peak hours. So, 3 stars. That seems like a fair. I mean, the happy hour 2 for 1 drinks until 8 p.m. seems like that. Maybe that's. I bet you that's their problem right there. They're giving away all those jackpots. I don't know how the gambling commission part of all that. All this, but that seems like an awful lot of jackpots happening in a small place off the strip, if you ask me. And then happy hour, you're giving 2 drinks away for 1, probably overpouring. Nachos were pretty good. Oh, why is there no picture of the nachos that were pretty good? That's disappointing. Well, here's some other food. The fajitas look good.
Are looking pretty good.
Yeah, there's one place in Philly that I go, Manny Brown's, I think it was, on South Street. The pile for the fajitas was like literally like this, like piled up off of the skillet. Phenomenal. But yeah, hey, look, and this was in April. This was April 11th, so you know something's happened there. I'm guessing if this was in April 11th, this is probably after Bar Rescue.
Yeah, they've already been rescued.
Yeah. But I'm guessing
those fajitas got
Taft
recent. Written all over them.
Yeah, they do. They definitely, and they're probably like $18-19, which is fine to me. If it's worth it, if it's good, presentation's there. On Google, I got 320 reviews, 4.4 stars. So like,
that's a little bit higher than they have been.
Yeah. This is the front of the restaurant. When was this taken? Oh, this was March 2021. So let's see Wait, this is not even their right. Wait, what are we doing here?
Ferreira's.
What? Oh man. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Well, here's why I brought this up. Right, is because when I googled Paradise Cantina, Las Vegas, I'm seeing Yelp, I'm seeing Facebook, I'm seeing TripAdvisor, I'm seeing DoorDash, menu search, Las Vegas happy hour. Chew Boom. They're not even on the first page of Google for their own search term. In their town. So I got to click on
help there.
Only way I can get there is if I click on their website. So at least they have that. But like I usually just go right here. I'm looking in this spot, not going to hit this little tiny button off to the side. So just something to think about. Get some SEO help there and get yourself on the first page of Google when I'm literally typing in your terms in Las Vegas. Now looking at their grid, well, they got their video, that were closed, but they got quite a bit of interaction. But like that video has no reason to be there anymore. That was in February. It's got to go, and I don't see any food. I mean, unless you want to count that, or a picture of a taco, 50% off tacos. I mean, it's just
there's I see food. I see food. I see food.
Do you think that's their food, or you think that's just because? I don't know. Is that their food? Maybe it's their food. That might be.
I see a lime.
Okay.
I saw a lime somewhere.
Yeah. So that might be. Yeah. I guess that is probably their food. They have a Corona, probably bar top or where you pull up the high top
or whatever.
High top.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're all in the same pool. Yeah. I get it, but. Is this really got to be on your grid? Is this really sending the right message?
What? I don't even know what it sent. All I saw was porn stores, and I'm like, what does that have to do with promoting my restaurant and my bar?
Yeah, yeah. So these are some great looking photos here. Let's see more of these photos in the grid, right? You don't have to take them all at once and put them in one picture. But let's see more of that, like spread out over your grid than just $17,000 jackpot. I'm telling you, we need to go there. We need to go there and get us some jackpots because they are serving them up hot and fresh over there at Paradise. So yeah, this let's see here. Is this all I got? This is all I got. So come back tonight, probably about midnight, 1 a.m. Eastern time, to check out this Biz Coach Reacts video to Bar Rescue Season 8, Episode 1. I think it's 2 tickets to Paradise Cantina. 2 tickets to Paradise Cantina is the name of the episode. Looking forward to it. My boy Matt will be in the house. He'll be sitting behind me watching on the TV across on that wall, and so we can stay a little social distance here in the studio. For Larry Roberts, I'm Super Joe Pardo. Please make sure you could smash that like button if you made it this far into the video, and get subscribed so you don't miss tonight's video going live around midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. I do it for you, people. I do it for you. So make sure you do all that. Oh, and we had a comment. I forgot. We have a comment here about that's not showing up. But the comment was basically that we are awesome and need to keep up the awesome work, Larry. That's what
There
it is. Man, what a video. I thought it was a huge commentary channel. Y'all totally deserve more subscribers. Keep up the great work. Ding, ding. Thank you very much. We will do that. Larry, tell the super entrepreneurs how they can reach you.
Hey, you can reach me over at podcastboost.com. If you have a podcast, if you have a brand or a business that you want to elevate, that you want to take to the stars, hit me up over at podcastboost.com. Let's get together and we'll get that podcast launched for you.
Yeah, love the new site, man. Coming out great for you. For me, if you go to superjoepardo.com/sales, if you want to work on growing your sales, go get my free PDF guide with 5 methods to growing your sales that I use when I work one-on-one with business owners and entrepreneurs. Go to superjoepardo.com/sales to get the free guide. I have a sales training and mastermind coming up soon. So if you want to check out more of that, go over to superjoepardo.com/mastermind. Anyway, I will see you all later tonight. Have a great, great Sunday and take care.